This goes in here when you're done. It's really important because that way we can see if the pass is back. Okay, we're off and running, so I need you all to be mellow and focusing and paying attention. I know you can. So literal equations have more than one variable. Okay? So for instance, I'm going to do kind of a versus, okay? One variable equation we've had, that's like 5x plus 7 equals 12. And we solved lots of those. No problem, no worries. You go minus 7, you go minus 7, you go 5x equals 5. You divide by 5, you divide by 5, you get x equals 1. Nice, neat answers. Well, with literal equation, your answer will not be neat always. Sometimes they're kind of a mess, okay? So, know that with literal equations, your answers may not be pretty. Let's try this out. What if we have 4m plus 3n equals 12, and I say solve for n. Okay, this is a literal equation because notice it has the m and the n are both variables, and your answer is not going to be pretty. Okay, solve for n. Well, if I say solve for n, first I want to solve for 3n. In other words, I want to get rid of 4m. So I say 4m plus 3n equals 12. And I'm going to go minus 4m from both sides. Same rules that we always do. But we just won't have such a pretty equation when we're done. 3n equals 12 minus 4m. Okay? Now, I'm going to move that over a little. Yeah, it's not so bad. Yeah, Gabe? Or no, I'm sorry, Brandon. Didn't look up. No, this is just a microphone. It's not an amplifier. It's recording, and I'll show you when I'm done. It records everything I write on here and my voice. So you'll see the notes and you'll hear my voice. Okay? And I post them on YouTube, and then I put a link. And then, yeah, you can subscribe to my channel, and every time I post a new one, I'll let you know. Yeah, that's pretty geeky, I know. Okay, so right now we're at 3n. 3n equals 12 minus 4m. And we're almost done. And we're going to go divide by 3 and divide everything by 3. You can do it two different ways. You can divide the whole thing by 3, which is what I usually start with, or you can divide both of them by 3. So now we're at 1n, or just n equals, you can quit here, or if you want to be cool, you can say 12 over 3 minus 4/3 m. And then we get n equals 4 minus 4/3 m. And believe it or not, once you get n all alone like this, you're done. And that is the proper answer, even though that doesn't seem pretty. Its mother loves it, but, you know, that's a tough one. N equals 4 minus 4/3 m. Yeah, and then you're done. You did this last year? Okay, good. That'll help. Because normally, and it's fine if you did it or did not, but normally this is a topic that is kind of tough for people. Okay? I'm going to end the video now and give you all, we're just 4 minutes, so that's a quick one. Give you all one to try. Thank you.